Everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix Instagram next story freezing problem. So to fix that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. So once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to any story. Like I'm heading over to this one. So sometimes we can't just, if we just tap on a story, we can't move anymore. So what the first fix is, you can try just tap on this message option and then try again tapping on here, and then you can just swipe it like this. So this is the first one you can try, and the second one is, if it is your story, you can go to there is a friends option right here, and then you can just try to tap on like this. And if it is another person's story, you can also, if it's not if you try to tapping on the story in the middle, but if it's not coming of any use, so what you can try is tap on the lines on the top like this, the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, like this. So yeah, this is how you can just fix this Instagram next story freezing problem. And if the problem still persists, you can just head over to your Play Store, or if you are an iPhone user, go to your App Store and search for Instagram and check if there is any update available. Make sure to update your Instagram and install it, and then the problem of fixing the story make it solved. So yeah, these are the fixes we needed to share with you. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.